Is your HVAC not cooling as well as it used to? Is your fan making strange noises? It might be time for a professional cleaning. At LG Service Center, we offer a comprehensive cleaning maintenance for HVACs and compressors. Our experienced field engineers will use the latest tools and techniques to remove all dirt, dust, allergens, and debris from your unit. When you require your cooling units to run smoothly 24/7, having timely maintenance is crucial.
BECON Cloud is one of LG's essential components for effective remote monitoring and managing of LG HVAC systems in real time. With this, we are able to maintain operational conditions and identify any issues in advance.
This information can be used to optimize system performance and reduce energy consumption. For businesses like StorHub, which rely heavily on HVAC systems, LG BECON Cloud is a valuable tool for ensuring efficient and reliable operations. With LG BECON Cloud solutions and our trained field expertise, we are able to analyze and suggest the correct tools to identify and repair worn or damaged components. Combined with our access to a wide range of genuine LG replacement parts, the maintenance process is streamlined. We use the latest professional tools to clean HVAC systems. This includes pressure washers, coil cleaners, and other specialized equipment. By having your HVAC regularly cleaned and maintained by LG, you can be sure that they will always be working reliably and efficiently. Businesses like StorHub rely on LG's advanced technology to ensure precise temperature control for storage of valuable climate-controlled goods. This process is thus optimized with LG BECON Cloud solutions as we access real-time data on temperature, humidity, and other crucial factors, enabling us to proactively address any potential issues before they impact the storage environment.
At StorHub, our self-storage facilities are accessible 24/7. And it is our top priority to ensure that our buildings are safe and secure for all our customers. Thanks to LG's Solution Care, the constant monitoring and timely maintenance of our HVAC systems have been contributing factors to our successful operations.